Now, one way to think about the dance of Shiva is that the initial goal is to learn to join all of the positions to each other. So even with one arm at a time, you can think that you can think of the movements that you're learning as enabling you to join all single arm positions to each other. So from position 1, you've learned the forward move, so you can join from position 1 to position 2. You've also learned the backward move, which allows you to join position 1 to position 4. However, you haven't learned any move yet that allows you to join 1 directly to position 3. So that would be the next move, and it's called a non-cyclic move because when you repeat this type of move, you jump between the 2 same positions. So for example, doing a transquarter, which is the name of this next move, transquarter from 1, you just go from 1 to 3, but then when you do a transquarter again, you return back to 1. So for this, for all of the non-cyclic moves, we'll use 4 different starting positions. So to start off with, here's the icon for, or the picture for the transquarter movement. And as you can see, the movement jumps between 2 positions, and because this is a same plane type move, it'll jump between the 2 positions in the same plane. And I'll go over the change in the ChangeTransquarter afterwards so you can see how those types of moves are slightly different. So to begin with, a transquarter. Position 1, transquarter, position 3, transquarter, position 1. Switch sides. Position 1, transquarter, position 3, transquarter, position 1. Position 2, transquarter, position 4, transquarter, position 2. Position 2, transquarter, position 4, transquarter, position 2. Now we don't need to start from position 3 or 4 because we've already done the transquarter. So by jumping from 1 to 3 and then going from 3 to 1, we take care of the transquarter from 3 to 1 and also from 4 to 2. So now, but you can practice it if you like. Position A, transquarter. Position C, transquarter, position A. Position A, transquarter, position C, transquarter, position A. Position B, transquarter, position D, transquarter, position B. Position B, transquarter, position D, transporter, position B. So next is the change move, which is also a non-cyclic move because it jumps between the same 2 positions. However, for this one, it is also a change plane move. So from one plane, it'll take you to another plane and then back to the original plane. And you can see from the pictures, the change plane looks similar to the transporter move, except for that the positions it joins are in different planes. So from 1 to A, back to 1. Because this movement jumps from one plane to the other, we'll just start in one plane, the plane where the numbered positions. All right, position 1, change, position A, change, position 1. Position 1, change, position A, change, position 1. Position 2, change, position B, change, position 2. Position 2, change, position B, change, position 2. Position 3, change, position C, change, position 3. Position 3, change position C, change position 3. Position 4, change position D, change position 4. Position 4, change position D, change position 4. The final move, and usually I do the 3 jump movements between the forward, backward, and then the change forward and change backward, but anyway. The final move is a ChangeTransquarter, which is a combination of the change movement and the transquarter. And like both of those 2 moves, it is also a non-cyclic move. So here's a quick look at the graphical representation of this move. Notice how it is similar to the change in the transquarter movement. Beginning position 1. Actually, no. We'll just so you can. No, we'll start the same way. Position 1, change transquarter. C, change transporter 1. Position 1, change transporter C, position, change transporter 1. Position 2, change transporter D, change transporter 2. Position 2, change transporter D, change transporter 2. Position 3, change transporter A, change transporter 3. Position 3, change transporter A, change transporter 3. Position 4, change transporter B, change transporter 4. Position B, change transporter B, position 4, change transporter B, change transporter 4.